sir. Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, very good morning, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself because I love to know about you. We are meeting for the very first time, so I love to know.
Yeah, sure. See, actually, that's my name is Anupam Singh, and I born and brought up at Lucknow. But at
Okay.
presently, I'm in Bangalore from since 2003 onwards. So I'm working here. I'm in a pharmaceutical company,
Okay.
GlaxoSmithKline. So I have long been here from 23 years now. So that's it. My family is settled here, and I have one daughter. That's it. This is my small family, and along with my mother also is there. So just this is the small introduction. So could you give me your introduction so that I can also aware about you?
Yeah, sure, sir. Okay, my name is Susmita Kausik. I belong to Assam. Currently, I stay in UP due to my husband job. About my
Okay.
qualification, I have done master in education. Along with, I have done PGDC as a computer course also. I used to teach computer before marriage, but nowadays I'm totally homemaker. I'm mother of
Okay.
one kid. He is 3.5 now. Yes,
Okay.
sir. That's all about me.
Yeah, very nice, ma'am. So how long? Where? I think in UP you are telling me. So in which place? I think UP. I heard.
I'm near Ghaziabad. It's called Hapur.
Yeah, exactly. I understand.
Do you know?
Ghaziabad.
Have you
Yeah, yeah.
been?
I know well because I am from Lucknow. Na?
Yes, yes, yes.
Lucknow, yeah, some long time back I went to there in Delhi and we have visited over roaming there in Ghaziabad, Meerut and Haryana. These are all, I think, some near about places. So just I went there. So usually I'm
Okay.
visiting over there because my sister is in Agra and one of our small that younger sister is in Lucknow only. She is staying there. So once I was visited over there, then I can meet with her and then it is fine. So it is okay, fine. So how long been your journey to speaking English fluently? Just I'm asking about you. So
Mhm.
I think so. How do you feel that I'm speaking fluently or not? I don't know.
You are very
Okay.
fluent now so far, whatever I have observed. I'm also
Right.
learning, so I don't have that much knowledge about to observing and people. So according to
Exactly.
me, you are fluent.
Okay. Yeah. Exactly. Actually, this is the platform. So that this platform we can use it for the helping others people so that we can speak
Yeah,
fluently, and even we can give
definitely.
some more ideas about that.
Mm-hmm. What do you think about the knowledge and confident? Is it interconnected or is it different? What's your opinion, sir?
Confident and
Confident and knowledge.
knowledge. Yeah.
Yes.
See, confidence is a different thing, and the knowledge is also a different thing. Both are no contact. So what happened is the knowledge means if you are interact with the peoples or if you are interact with your work or wherever you are working, so that
Mhm.
the knowledge is good. So if the knowledge is good, you can be a knowledgeable person. So and that's the knowledge. And if you are interact with not people means that is a knowledge will not get it more. So knowledge is important.
Okay. Yeah. What about confident?
Is you should not be, I think, in the place of English speaking only. I'm telling we should not be hesitate to speak somebody else. This is the confidence means you should not lose, you should not be think over that the other person how he is thinking, how what he is thinking. You should not be think like that. So continuously you can speak sometimes whatever. See, everybody is not in the world is completely correct. So everybody
Yeah.
is as a god. Sometimes if one becomes a childhood, you cannot know the knowledge. Sorry, for the language. So what happened is once you listen the words from your mother, she's speaking in Hindi or some other language, whatever wherever you are born. So then only you can start. You have not learned the language, you have not learned the grammar, you have not learned the translation and all, right? So
Yeah.
the English journey is to speak English less, matlab, completely,
Yeah.
continuously, and training.
Yes, yes, sir. And I think somewhere this both are interconnected because if you have plenty of knowledge about any particular topic, then you feel very confident to describe about this topic, right? If you don't
Right.
have knowledge, If you don't have knowledge, if I ask some question to you, if I give you topic, or if you give me some topic to describe, if I don't have any knowledge, then how can I describe? That time I feel demotivated, right? That time
No,
we
no,
did
that
not
time
have
only this.
study.
Yeah, exactly. I'm telling you. See, that time that confidence is required. See, if
Yeah.
you don't have a knowledge, then confidence is required because you have to turn your these things and all to the another way, and then you can discuss it more like that.
Okay,
Correct.
that is a smart
Suppose,
way. That is a
yeah,
smart way also.
that is a smart way, and you can say the confidence also. So this is the build-up of the confidence
For
over there.
them. Yes, yes.
Exactly.
I have watched
Sometimes it
many
has
this kind
happened.
of videos. I have watched many videos, especially interview the when celebrity come on the podcast, that
Yeah,
time they switch in the another topic immediately if you
exactly.
don't want to
Immediately.
discuss. Yeah,
Exactly. So that
that
is
is
the
the truth.
confident way, smart way, or something. Whatever you can tell, that is the fine only. So better
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have to be. See, sometimes what happened? No, just we are growing on that English language. We are just improving myself and improving to others also. So
Mhm.
this is the now the journey is going on, not fully completed. So it may be after some time. It takes time, no issue. It takes time,
Mhm.
but it will be.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to be a perfect, then only we can, our mind should be active to discuss
Yes,
with the any topic. Otherwise, we
exactly.
start to think any whatever they are asking, how we can improve or how we can give the answer, right? If you have the active mind, then you can switch the another topic.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I
Really,
have
I
observed many
appreciate.
times. Hmm.
Exactly. It has happened so many times, man. So
Yeah.
whenever I'm connecting to the peoples, they are asking so many questions. If I don't have a knowledge, I can't give. So
Yeah.
we'll go for another way. Another way means in the sense we can turn it the topic so that we can talk
Fun.
and some other things. That's not an issue. See, it is happened to
Yes.
everybody else. That's why I'm telling you. See, nobody
Mhm.
is the perfect in this world.
Definitely.
Even all
That
the
is what.
speakers also, they are not good at speaking English. They also learn. They also see. So many people is
Yes.
there. I think some you have interact with the Ramchandran also.
Yeah, I have talked with him.
Yeah, exactly.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, he's a very
Ramchandran,
good speaker.
yeah, he has actually get at really some point. Actually, what happened is he's from Tamil Nadu, right? So I
Yeah.
think he's Tamil Nadu and he doesn't know Hindi. In Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and wherever they are interact with the people. These are all metro cities, so they are connecting with this English only. So that's the reason
Mhm.
they are getting some good English. They are speaking well, and they are interact with the English only because they have to impress their ideas in the English only.
English
Exactly.
only.
So in our
Yes.
UP, what happened is we are not interact with the peoples. Everybody is speaking Hindi, so we are not able to means start English. If somebody will start the English, they will tell, hey, why he's what he's talking like that. He's talking in English,
Yes,
but
only.
another person is giving an answer in Hindi. So there is no
Hindi.
use at all. So
No,
environment is
no.
required. Yeah, the simplest the thing is that one.
Yeah, people start to think, he is sewing or they are sewing over smart like this. So we have to switch in again Hindi. So
Again
that is
Hindi, exactly.
happening. Yeah,
Yeah. So my
that is
confidence level also will go down.
go down. Yes. We hardly find, this kind of people to connect, but they start to speak in Hindi. Even though they have knowledge about this language, I don't know why they do
Exactly.
not prefer to speak English.
Yeah, right. I think they have a lack of knowledge to know that about they want to be live on the same like hell or this one. So they don't
Mhm.
want to go somewhere else others and they want to be increase their knowledge. So simply for that
Easy.
reason also with me, I have seen over there in Lucknow so that I can switch over to the another city and will go. Whatever it is, I will fight it and will do. So now I am is okay, fine. I am very much confident and I am very much happy about that. That the language. Even I can speak Kannada also, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. That's
Yeah.
great, sir.
This is
Okay.
the good example I am giving you. So
Mhm.
any language or English or Kannada or whatever, only for the practice makes man. Practice. If you do the more practice means you can be learn any language.
Yes, yes, sir. That is the
But
truth, really.
the
Okay,
consistency is
you have
required.
now you have environment to connect with the people, right?
Yeah, now I have environment. Now I have started. I can speak, but sometimes what happened, I'm hesitating. I mean, I didn't get some words, good words, some idioms like if they are talking, no. So they are speaking very nicely, ma'am, in English. But what happened? Sometimes I forget it. I can't collect it, that those words vocabulary I have to increase. But no,
Hmm.
even though there is not required an vocabulary also, we have to speak continuously to the speak peoples
Yes,
right
that is
away.
the required, because
Yeah.
that is not required. You should speak, advanced word idiom also. That is not required. What is the required? You have to make them understand. That with
Yeah, the
my
other person should
they should
understand what I am
understand.
talking.
Yeah,
Exactly.
they should understand what is the you want to say or what is you are saying to them. So that is the
Exactly. What their
required.
need. Mhm.
Yeah, if you
Even
gradually practice,
yeah.
then we will able to these advanced word or idiom also,
Exactly.
right?
It will be times if we are using the idioms and these all the words will be go roaming. No, one by one. So repeating words means we can be very easily. It will come into your minds. Your mind will be very conscious. And one more thing, ma'am. I was saw a video before connecting with you. You
Mhm.
have connecting with that village boy. See how much he is speaking. Fluency. Good, na?
Okay.
Before
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
I have saw yours video only. You have connected with
Okay.
them because he is from village boy.
Mm-hmm.
So he's talking
Yes.
very nicely. See, he don't have
Yeah.
any
Yes.
environment. Even environment is not there, but he's talking. So some consistency, some means hard work that is required also.
Yeah. Our mindset also required, because if you have a strong desire to learn something, then no one can stop you. You will learn anyhow. And
Yeah,
now it's social media is boon for us, right?
yeah.
Whatever we want, we can learn from the social media. And through this social media, you can express your thoughts, your feelings, and you can grow by the social media. So that is the
Exactly.
real commendable nowadays. Mhm.
Yeah, exactly.
Really,
So
that
it
is
is
the
social
boon for us.
media. Yourself, ma'am, what about your family and what your husband is doing? The which work is in? He's working in another company or somewhere. Or how many kids do you have? So let me know.
Okay. Okay, I basically belong to Assam, because currently I stay in UP due to my husband job. He is a lecturer here in UP, government lecturer. So
Okay.
that's why we have to live here. Far, it's I think around 2,000 kilometers far from Assam.
Oh my God.
So yeah. So our all family members live in Assam. So we only three members here in a nuclear as a nuclear family. My husband, my baby, and I. My baby is 3.5 now.
3.5. Oh, very little.
Yes.
Yeah, she's very much charming. I think you are creating the environment to speak English so that she also can speak well.
Yeah, he can speak. Now he
She
become
can.
little
He
smart.
can. Okay.
Now he became little smart. He doesn't prefer to speak, and he started to avoid me
No
nowadays.
problem. This is
Earlier,
the time actually. Yeah, that's a
yeah,
child. Children
yes.
are very much very uh, nature by nature. The kids are very nowadays. They
Mm-hmm.
are not. Even though you
And
don't give the mobile, ma'am, in front on this, just you speak them. You have to give some creativity. That's the good thing. You do not give the mobile right now. Nowadays I am seeing that in the social media only everybody is watching the mobiles. If you give to the mobiles to the children, they are habituate on that mobile. So if
that
you
is
not
that.
give the mobiles, they will be very much frustrated.
Yeah, that is the
So
truth.
that's
They
what's
lost
going
each and
on.
everything. They are not
Yes,
able to think much. Creativity. They are not able to think. So I
yes.
always avoid to give mobile, but he was sometimes TV. So
TV
yeah,
is okay.
TV.
So
He
there
was
there
TV.
you can make it some stories and some these things and knowledgeable things so that it can be very no problem. So they will be
Yeah.
grasping very more because the kids are very much grasping power. So if you
Yes.
put the
Yeah.
TV
I
channel,
observed.
stories and all, they will grasp it very nicely.
Yes.
So the thing
I
is that
observed.
one. So can I ask you one question, ma'am?
Yeah. Yeah. Please. I love to know.
So
Yeah.
actually, I want to know about what about your health conscious? How much you are health conscious means what I are doing from morning to day, and the thing is,
Yeah. I can say I think about my health, because health is wealth. If you have a good health, then you can do each and everything in your life, right? So
that
we
is
need
okay.
to,
Yeah,
yeah,
what you are doing from till morning, I think you are going for a walk or you're doing some yoga or exercise or something.
yeah. I do exercise. I do meditation. I do
Okay.
yoga daily. Yeah. I
But
don't
you are
go
getting time?
walk, outside, but I stroll in the my stair on my roof.
Okay.
For 10 to 20 minutes I walk there and I sit on the roof and I do meditation, I do yoga, then I come downstairs, then I do some exercises and I do house clean, and then I take bath, and then I do worship, I make breakfast for my husband, for my kids, then I also have, today I did not have because today
See
is my
how much
first.
you are. Exactly. So how much you are doing some hard work, huh? So usually the ladies are
It's
very much hardworking ladies. They are doing so much
morning.
work.
Mhm. Morning
From
time is
morning.
very hard.
Yeah, very hard actually.
Very,
Exactly.
very active every day. We need to run.
Okay.
We can't, we can't cover the every
But it
work
is
while
required.
walking.
It's required actually. This is the daily need. We have to
Daily.
do some exercise or we'll go for a walk for 10-15 minutes. That's not an issue.
Yes.
So that's good, fine.
Yeah.
So not running.
No,
I
no.
think you are not.
It's not possible to run on the roof.
No, I think I'm looking as of now. You are looking fit and fine. Not an issue. It's a good thing, right?
Yeah, I do exercise.
Okay, okay, fine.
I don't. Yeah. What
See,
about you, sir?
exercise is required. Sometimes exercise is required for your body parts. Actually, sometimes they are fatty, and the something will be fatty means you have to reduce the weight so that it can be very normalized. Sometimes the mind recreation, mind is required for the clearance means you should do some yoga practice, do some meditations so that we mind also will be very
Yes, it's a very long time because I used to teach yoga as well before marriage. I used to do lots of things before marriage, but after
okay.
marriage, I'm not getting any chance to do anything. That's why, I feel
You are doing.
sometimes, just as,
Sorry,
hmm.
ma'am. Yeah, what I'm
Uh,
asking actually, you are doing some classes or what happened? Because you are a YouTuber or something. You are uploading the
yeah,
videos on the YouTube.
nowadays,
Do you,
yes,
how
nowadays
many
I do
subscribers?
YouTube.
Yeah, how many subscribers till now, till date there?
I think 1.5, 1.5, I think 1500
1.5.
around subscriber are there.
Oh, very good. So you are reaching maybe. So it takes time, but it will be reached. You can reach, no problem. But daily you have to interact with them. This is also a
Yes.
hard work, hard job. Daily you have to make
No,
some videos, 3-4 calls, and then it will be.
no, nowadays I'm not feeling hard it because nowadays
Okay.
I'm habitual, and there behind this, talking with people, I have my motto as well, right? To be a fluent English speaker, and I now it's become habitual to connect with the people. I love to talk with the people and know about their perspective, what they are feeling,
Right.
what they are saying. And they really, if I do not talk someday, then I feel very miss. Oh my God, I did
Yeah,
not talk to
yeah,
someone.
exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
nowadays I'm habitual. I miss if I don't get chance to talk with the people. So I
Yeah.
don't feel any kind of burden nowadays to talk.
Sometimes I'm getting so many people, they are very much hesitate to speak. And even if they are not contacting with us, just I'm telling you, no problem. Just you can speak English fluently. But if you are not getting the words, you can speak Hindi also, no issue. So sometimes Hindi
Yes.
and sometimes English, then it can be continuously, you can speak English. After
Yes.
sometimes you will get the words or you can
Word
use
as
some
well.
in that gap only you have to fill that words, so you learn that word, learn day by day you will learn, then you can fill the gap on that words so that the
That's
sentence will be complete and you can speak is fine
fine.
continuously. That is the
Yeah,
major
that is
thing.
our learning journey. So we no need to think
Exactly.
about too much, right? Whatever we are missing, whatever we should learn, then we should cover it. So that's how
Cover.
we will be improved.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
definitely.
is fine. Mhm.
Okay. Okay,
So,
sir.
so let it be. Thanks, thank you, ma'am. Thanks, Narsal. We'll
Thank
connect you again so that we can be interact with the peoples and telling something more, and we'll take some more ideas also from the next video.
Yeah, sure.
Thank,
Thank you so much, sir.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Have a good day.